In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and share your Robinhood referral link to invite friends and earn rewards. Whether you're hoping to bring friends into investing or simply want to take advantage of Robinhood's referral bonuses, I'll walk you step by step through the process so you can get started quickly and easily. To begin, you'll need to access your Robinhood account. You can do this either from the Robinhood mobile app or by visiting the official website on your computer. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your usual credentials. If you're on your phone, just open the app as you normally would. If you're on a computer, head to the Robinhood website and enter your username and password. Make sure you're signing into the account that you want your referrals to be linked to. After you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled Rewards. Give that a click. This section is dedicated to special offers and referral programs that Robinhood currently has available for its users. If you're on the mobile app, Rewards may be found in the main menu or under your profile. So just look for the word Rewards and tap on it. Inside the Rewards section, you'll easily spot an area called Your Referral Link. This is where Robinhood provides you with a unique referral link or code. This link is special to your account, so anytime someone signs up using your referral, you'll be eligible for the rewards Robinhood offers at that time. To get your link, just look for the button or option that says Copy Link and click on it. If you're using a mobile device, tapping Copy Link will automatically copy the link to your device's clipboard. Once you've copied your referral link or code, you're ready to start sharing it. Think about how you want to invite your friends. You can send the link by text message, include it in an email, or even share it on your social media profiles. Simply paste the copied link. Just tap and hold in the message field if you're on a phone, or use Ctrl+V on your computer to paste it into your message or post. This makes sharing your referral link quick and effortless, no matter which method you prefer, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily share your Robinhood referral link and potentially start earning rewards as your friends join. Remember, referral programs can change over time, so be sure to review the latest offer details in the rewards section before sharing your link. Thanks for watching and good luck inviting your friends to Robinhood.